You ready?
Check my phone to see if you called 1,000 times. I don't know why. I know you've got things to work out on your own. I just want to say a few words before you go, but I'll move on my own and give it time. I'll be alone, wandering again. You were my girl, but now you're gone. I'm on my own. It's weird that I